This video is showing you or going over the number 10 for the review yesterday, or today, I guess, whenever you're watching this. So to create a box in Whisker Plot, you first start out by ordering the numbers from least to greatest. From there, the easiest numbers to find are the minimum and the maximum. The minimum is the lowest number, 20. The maximum is the highest number, 100. And the median you find by counting each end to get to the center. So we have 2. So technically the median would be right in between 75 and 85, which is 80. Then the lower quartile is the median of the lower half, which here, let me use a different color. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2, so it'd be halfway between 65 and 67, which is 66. And the upper quartile is the median of the upper half, so it looks like it would be halfway between 90 and 93, which is 91.5. So that is your 5-number summary. You take those points, you plot them on the graph. We have 20. Lower quartile is about 66. Median is 80. Upper quartile 91.5, and maximum is 100. You draw vertical lines in the center of your 3 lines, or 3 dots. Then these 2 get whiskers. That is your box and whisker plot. The range is the max minus the min, 100, minus 20, which is 80. The inner quartile range is upper quartile minus lower quartile, so 91.5 minus 66 is 25.5. Then the percentage questions. So remember, your percentage questions will be split up into 4 sections. Here's 1 section, 2 sections, 3, and 4. So we have 4 different sections. Each one of them is worth 25%. So what percent of students scored at 80% or higher? So here's 80%. Right here. So 80% or higher, that's 2 sections of 25 is 50. Remember, it's 2 quarters. So 2 quarters is 50%. What percent of students failed the test? 65 or lower. So 65 lower, that's 25% because it's only 1 section. Each section is worth 25%. And what percent of the students passed the test at least a 65? So 65 or more, that is 1, 2, 3 quarters, which is 75%.